So last night I was thinking about a reason to go for a ride and I decided why not to go out and grab an ice cream. Oh no, it started raining. I wasn't thinking about it, man. Shit. I guess I have to fucking cancel this ride. Thank you. Why is he shifting? I mean, he literally had that gap there, but he was shifting towards my side. So, here's the ice cream. So, here's the ice cream, but you know what? I don't really want it. I just want to ride. Let me ride. I thought there would be no people, but I'm disappointed. Man, I'm disappointed. क्या बोलेगी? क्या बोलेगी? ना हाँ कह सकते हो। मैं मतलब इसकी बनाता रहता हूँ, बाइकों वगैरह की बना लेता हूँ। हाँ आपका तो इसमें रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है अभी। गोप्रो में। हाँ ठीक है। आप कहाँ जा रहे हो आप? हम तो टपकेश्वर जा रहे हैं। अच्छा चलिए मिलता है। वो अभी वो ही नहीं हुआ, डेवलप ही नहीं हुआ ना।
जय मारुद्र भाई फेमस हो जाएगा ना तब देखेंगे।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
इसी बात में एक शेर बताऊं?
बताइए बताइए।
अकाल मृत्यु वो मरे जो कर्म करे चंडाल का, काल भी उसका क्या करे जो भक्त हो महाकाल का।
So yeah, we can meet some good people in the night too. So I didn't want to tell them about the channel because it's not that kind of channel. It's just about cars and bikes. I wouldn't even show my face in this channel, so I don't know if this video goes viral and they may see their faces. I don't know. What the fuck are you doing in the middle of the road?
अबे अपना काम कर।
These knee pads are really important because I had like 3 to 4 accidents recently, and in most of them they were minor accidents by the way. in all of them I just got hurt in my knee and stuff, man. So yeah, you can buy these kind of paddings and stuff to protect your knees. So you can just buy that from Amazon and ride safe. Yeah, take care of yourself and don't go out in the hunt of ice cream like me. Don't be this crazy. That's new achievement unlocked. That's another. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my God!
Let's go.
What do you think?
That guy's not even racing yet.
Yeah, he did. He blinked.
Oh no. There would be another checkpoint if let's see if nobody's there. They're just checking the one who is coming from Missouri and not the one who is going to Missouri. Yeah. So that's all for this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next one.